Day 9 of 31 edible perennials. Let's go. Hey guys, it's me, Lizzie. How amazing is it to be able to plant something once, set it and forget it, and benefit from its fruits and harvest for years to come with barely any work or maintenance? Guys, this is gold to me. I love perennials. This next one will be added to my edible perennial garden this year, and I'm really excited about it. And that is rhubarb. Rhubarb has a hardiness zone of 3 to 8. It's used as a fruit, but technically it's a vegetable. And you can pull the stems from spring until early summer. And once it's established, it will produce for years. You can grow from crowns or seeds, which will take a lot longer, and divide them every 5 years to promote productivity. Rhubarb is often used for a jam, sweet desserts from pies and tarts to cookies and cakes. Beyond desserts, there are many savory recipes for rhubarb as well. Rhubarb is used in braises like short ribs. The rhubarb stalks are safe, but you never want to eat the leaves. They have high levels of an acid that can damage your kidneys and even lead to death if ingested in high levels. Let me know in the comments if you have rhubarb in your garden and what you use it for. See you tomorrow.